So you might be in a situation where you're not able to go ahead and comment on people's Instagram stories. So as you know, there's a lot of new features going on right now, and basically they allow you to go ahead and basically comment on people's stories. So if I were to go through and post on someone's story, you might be able to see if I just go on, I don't even know, if I were to go to Kim Kardashian's story, you can see right here, I'm not able to go through and basically comment on their stories. Number one, if you're not able to comment on some people's stories, but you're able to comment on others, that might mean because they don't have the comments available on their stories. So they may have that feature turned off. So kind of keep that in mind. That's kind of the one big thing to kind of keep in mind there. If you don't want people to comment on your story, they basically may have it turned off. They may also be celebrities or big creators. Usually if they have hundreds of millions of followers or whatever, they may not allow other people to go and comment on their stories either. So keep that in mind. That's just another small thing. But that could also cause some issues and problems for some people too. So just kind of keep that in mind in this particular situation as well. On top of that, you may not have the feature yet available on your phone. So what you can try doing is making your way over into your app store. So click on your app store, click on the double tap at the very bottom, and go and type in Instagram. So come right into here, type in Instagram as you normally would, and you want to click here, and you want to see if there's an update available for Instagram. For a lot of people, there might just be an update available for you. So all you're going to have to do here is basically just go through, update your Instagram application, and once again, for a lot of people, that's probably all you're going to have to do there. So that might end up fixing the problem. If that still doesn't work, that feature may not be available for you, or maybe you're not maybe you're a professional or business creator, which may not be available for you either as of this point. So that kind of covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.